Welcome all. Today our topic is on community helpers. So observe the pictures carefully. We are going to learn community helpers in details. So let's start.
In day-to-day life, we get help from many people. So I will introduce you them with showing some flashcards. See, I have such a pretty and lovely colorful cutouts, wooden cutouts. So I will tell the name and their work, what they do and how they help us. So let's start. He is a fireman. He is a fireman. Who puts off the fire? The fireman puts off the fire. See, he is a fireman. See, who is he? He is a washerman, dhobi. He is a washerman. He wash our clothes. He wash our clothes. Can you see this picture? See, he is a barber. He is a barber. He cuts our hair. See the next picture. He is a cobbler. He is a cobbler. Who mends our shoes? Cobbler mends our shoes. Cobbler mends our shoes. Can you see many shoes he is making? Yes. See the doctor. Can you see doctor? Nurse, patient. Who gives us medicine? Who check us? Doctor check us. See, he is a doctor. He is a patient. Doctor check us and nurse gives us medicine. So let's see next picture. He is a tailor. He is a tailor. He stitches our clothes. He stitches our clothes. See, many clothes he has stitched with his machine. He is a potter. He is a potter.
He makes earthen pots for us. He is a mason. He is a mason. He builds many buildings and houses for us.
He is a farmer. He is a farmer. Farmer
Plows the fields and grows grains such as rice, wheat, sugarcane, etc. In this way, we get help from farmers.
See, he is a teacher. He is a teacher. Who teaches us in school? The teacher teaches us in school. See, he is a postman. He is a postman. Who brings letters for us? Postman brings letter for us. Who brings our letters? The postman brings our letters. He is a policeman. He is a policeman. The policeman catches the robbers. He is a milkman. He is a milkman. Who brings milk for us? Milkman bring milk for us. Milkman bring milk for us. So now let's revise. He is a barber. He is a barber. He is a cobbler. He is a cobbler. He mends our shoes. Barber
cuts
our hair. He is a teacher. Teacher teaches us in the school and colleges. He is a washerman. Washerman wash our clothes. He is a postman. He is a fireman. He is a fireman. Postman brings letters for us. He is a policeman. He is a policeman. He guards
our city
and catches the thieves. He is a doctor. He is a doctor. Doctor check patients and nurse gives us medicine. She is a nurse. He is a patient. He is a tailor. Tailor stitches our clothes. He is a potter. Potter makes pots. He is a mason. He builds the houses. He is a farmer. He is a farmer. He grows grains in the field. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.